see in the ocean? What can you see in the ocean? Oh, I can see an octopus! I can see an octopus! Look, what color is the octopus? What color is the octopus? It's purple! It's a purple octopus! It's a purple octopus! What can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? I can see a whale! I can see a whale! What color is the whale? What color is the whale? It's blue! It's a blue whale! It's a blue whale! So beautiful! What can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? Look, I can see a starfish. I can see a starfish. What color is the starfish? What color is the starfish? It's orange. It's an orange starfish. It's an orange starfish. Yes, beautiful. What else can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? I can see a crab. I can see a crab. What color is the crab? What color is the crab? It's red. It's a red crab. It's a red crab. Beautiful. What can I see in the ocean? 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 Look! It's a dolphin! It's a dolphin! What color is the dolphin? What color is the dolphin? It's gray! It's gray! Beautiful, look! What else can I see in the ocean? What else can I see in the ocean? A cow? In the ocean? A cow? No, Maria, no. Race it, 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 race. There are no cows in the ocean. What else can we see in the ocean? What else can we see in the ocean? Oh, I can see a seahorse! I can see a seahorse! What color is the seahorse? What color is the seahorse? It's green! It's a green seahorse! It's a green seahorse! Yes! What else can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? What can I see in the ocean? I can see a fish! I can see a fish! What color is the fish? What color is the fish? It's yellow! It's a yellow fish! It's a yellow fish! What else can I see in the ocean? What else can I see in the ocean? I can see a squid! I can see a squid! What color is the squid? What color is the squid? It's pink! It's pink! pink squid. It's a pink squid. Yes, great job. Can you play with me what it is? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a yellow fish. It's a yellow fish. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a purple octopus. It's a purple octopus. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a green seahorse. It's a green seahorse. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's an orange starfish. It's an orange starfish. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a pink squid. It's a pink squid. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's a red crab. It's a red crab. It's a red crab. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's a dolphin. It's a gray dolphin. What is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's a blue whale. It's a blue whale. Look! How many animals can I see in the ocean? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 animals in the ocean. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Don't forget to sub. Thank you. Bye-bye.